So guys, this is the Oppo Reno 13 5G and right now i-unbox natin para sa inyo here in my channel. So, simulan natin. So yung box ng Oppo Reno 13 5G is, well, almost the same with the others, no? And I have here is a 12 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage na variant. Pag box natin, sikip we have yung kanyang small box which contains yung kanyang safety guide and ang kanyang quick start guide, which wala naman ata nagbabasa niyan. And we have yung jelly case na parang ridges na. Well, yeah, those are some of the accessories. We have yung kanyang Type-C cable. Yun, nandiyan kanyang SIM ejector tool. And we have yung 80 watts na SuperVOOC charger natin inside. So, buti may charger this time. No, so, this is how it looks like. Kanyang phone. Looks the same, no? 13, 13F, 13 Pro. Likod niya parang nagkakatalo lang dito sa kanyang LED flash. No? If you, kung nakita niyo ng mga review units, no? Ganito yung itsura niya. Looks iPhone-ish, no? This looks like a aluminum metal frame sa gilid kasi may antenna bands ganito sa ibabaw. Medyo mahirap lang tingnan, no, kasi color black ang unit niya, no. So maganda naman kanang AMOLED display, bright na bright, no. And ang maging problema dito, so if you take a quick snap naman dito, you'll be able to get quite a decent shot, no, as compared sa 13F. 13F makita mo dito sa ilalim namumuti, no, pero dito mas magandang shot niya overall. Now if you take a look naman, I did take some shots din on outdoors, so you'll be able to see most of my shots sa aking fully view nitong Oppo Reno 13 5G. So abangan ang aking full review. So I'll see you there.